Unboxing their SS5 Premium Lucky Boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Purple Snakeskin Mini Birkin Bag. Get one more bag. Black and white mini CC bag. Get two more bags. Brown suede mini saddle bag. Get two more chains. Lavender mini CC handle bag. Get two more charms. Blue tweed material mini CC bag. Get one more charm and one more chain. Combine 3 parts into a well-matching set. 3 into 1 again. 3 into 1 again. Yellow calfskin mini Birkin bag.